Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. 2.5 months ago, I got myself a cold air intake system for my 2024 Toyota Tundra. I ended up getting the AFE Power Momentum GT system, and the reason I bought that, a few different reasons. Number one, AFE, everything I've used from that company has seemed to be built pretty well, so I was very happy to try them again. And number two, most importantly, all over the Toyota Tundra forums, this is the cold air intake system you guys said you should check out. So definitely happy after 2.5 months. But today we're going to talk about, is it worth it? First thing we're going to do is we're going to go on the website and we're going to go over some of the facts about the system from AFE, including a dyno chart they put together with this system. Then we're going to pop the hood on my 2024 Toyota Tundra 1794 and check out my setup. Then we're going to take it for a little ride. I'm going to put a microphone under the hood so you can hear what these intakes sound like. Although I should warn you up front, the microphone is noise canceling and the sounds that come out of the engine bay are quite interesting. And then we're going to come on back and we're going to talk about, is this system really worth it, worth the money, or should you go another direction? So let's go ahead and start with the website. So here's the listing for the setup that I got, the Momentum GT cold air intake system with Pro 5R filters. You can also get this system in orange and red, and you can also get it with a dry filter if you don't want to do the oiled filter like I did. And you're getting essentially 2 cold air intakes because this is a twin turbo engine, so it's not like the old 5.7 where there was only one assembly. You are getting 2. So they say on the AFE Power website, this will increase flow by 17%. It gives you 17 more horsepower and 19 more pound-feet of torque also. Dyno proven gains up to 17 horsepower and 19 pound-feet of torque. Outflows factory intake by 17%. Measured flow is 520 CFM at 7 inches H2O. Washable and reusable Pro 5R air filters for maximum performance. Innovative filter to housing interface for easy installation. Large clear sight windows for convenient filter inspection without disassembly. Easy installation using factory mounting location. Premium clamps and silicone couplings provide a secure seal and excellent durability. Now, this application that is in this truck can fit 22 to 25 Toyota Tundras, whether it's the regular engine, the regular I-Force, or the hybrid, and can fit the Sequoias 23 to 25. So it can fit all of the new generation Toyota Tundras and Toyota Sequoias. And here is the measured flow chart just to show you. So the oiled filter is going to give you 17% increase. The dry filter is going to give you 11% more. And then there's the stock number. So 520 CFM, 495 CFM for the dry, and stock is 445. And if you want to see the installation of this part at the end of this video, I will put up the link to that video from 2.5 months ago, just to show you how absolutely easy it is to install the AFE Momentum GT. And here's my AFE GT Momentum setup. As you can see, we got the black boxes on here. There's the filter inside. Very simple install. Like I said, you could check out the video. I'll put the link up at the end of this one. So there's one side there, and there is the second box. Now, one thing I wanted to show you, you will see holes right here, and the system does come with a couple of these rubber covers. And in reading on the website, you have options. If you put the cover here, you're going to get the cooler air from the fender only, okay? So maybe in summer temperatures, something like that, you want to put these in. But if you take the cover off, you're going to get 2 things. You're going to get more airflow and more sound. So if sound is important to you, you can leave these off and you could, you know, put it on, take it off whenever you want. Like I said, for me, it's going into summer, so these are probably going to go on sooner than later. But for right now, I have them open for more sound, and you get that cool air from the fender as well. have it. We did a little ride. We talked about some of the facts from the AFE website. I showed you my setup. And now the ultimate question of the video, is it worth it? And I think it comes down to one word, the moral of the story when it comes to all cold air intake systems: expectations. To some, it will be worth it. To some, it won't be worth it. It really depends on what you want to get out of it. And don't forget, a lot of these vehicles nowadays come with a cool air setup as it is. So when you get these, enhanced setups like we do have with the AFE, it changes some small things. The tubing, you get a cone filter instead of the flat filters, but there are cheaper ways to do it if you don't want to spend $500 on a system. So that's why expectations matter. Here's where I think a system like this would make sense for you with your Toyota Tundra. If you're building a truck and you're adding hard parts to do a tune, that will always give you extra horsepower when you add a tune into it. Getting a catback exhaust, maybe some headers, a cold air intake system, new throttle bodies, the whole setup. If you do all of the hard part stuff and then add a tune, that brings it all together, and that will give you real horsepower numbers. If you're someone looking for a little more power feel when you're getting up through the gears, or you like a little more sound from the engine bay, and in this case, the turbos, because you definitely hear them a lot more with this setup, especially in sport mode, this may be something for you. Where you won't be happy here is if you're expecting massive power gains without doing anything else other than adding a cold air intake system. You could also do other things along the way from, the factory setup to what this is, the AFE Momentum GT full setup. You can take your filters out of what comes in your stock Toyota Tundra and put in a TRD filter or a K&N filter, the panel filters, instead of going all the way here. Will it give you the gains that this does? Probably not, but you may get a little more sound out of those turbos if that's what you're interested in. So there really is no set answer of, is it worth it? To me, I love them in all of my vehicles, whether it be Tundras or any other vehicle I've owned. I always add the cold air intake systems. That's one of my first things I put in. And I do it for a little more engine bay sound. It really was nice with the 5.7 V8, kind of matching the TRD intake with the TRD dual exhaust then. I do it for a little more sound. And again, when you're getting up through the gears, you could definitely feel a little bit extra coming from what the cold air intake systems give you. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm very happy with this setup on my Tundra. And again, AFE, every time I've used them, I've had nothing but success. So I can't say anything bad about them. And as per what you guys say on the forums, a lot of you love this setup. So I wanted to make sure I got the one everybody was talking about. And this is it. In this video here, you probably have already seen, there is a link right to it, so you could click right on the video if you're interested in the product. One more thing I should mention, because people will ask this: MPG, did it help or hurt? In fact, it didn't do anything in 2.5 months. My number is still exactly the same. 17.6 is my average on the truck. As per pump to pump calculations, we are going to take this truck and do our 170-mile run on the highway and see if our number changes as per what we got with the stock 1794 2024 Tundra that we're sitting in now. So I'll get you a pump to pump number a little bit down the road, maybe a couple weeks from now. In my opinion, yes, very worth it. But again, moral of the story, the whole point of the video, it all comes down to your personal expectations. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. Have a great day.